Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, I saw it coming, sort of. Highlighted to you in yesterday's video and the days before that oftentimes XRP just fails to follow through in a third wave rally. And the reason is very simple, because XRP doesn't like to move in impulses. It loves to move in corrective patterns. So I highlighted to you that I wouldn't be surprised if it fails to break through here. Yeah, those were my words, because it usually doesn't like to follow through in a third wave rally or breakdown. So anyway, I shared with you two wave counts anyway. We had one in which we would see a more direct pathway to the downside. This has been delayed now, so I will take those micro counts off the chart now. However, it doesn't change much, because I explained to you that if we see a break above resistance, the 50-cent level, we would have to consider that the sell-off is just simply delayed and that we're dealing with an Elliott Wave triangle here. Yeah, just a delay of this move to the downside. And we can put that onto the chart now. And this Elliott Wave triangle would be a so-called ABCDE structure. So that this B wave, yeah, never finished here on Tuesday, but it's basically probably still unfolding. And after that, only after that, we see this C wave to the downside. So just need to move all of this across. So nothing changed, just delayed everything a little bit. And now what we want to do, we want to populate this with the Elliott Wave triangle wave count. Okay, so this triangle is at the moment best I can offer here, because XRP continues to move in corrective structures. Trading within a triangle is typically not recommended. So we would have an A wave, because they can morph, they can change. They are characterized by corrective structures. So then a C wave, a D wave. Yeah, sorry, it was just looking something. A D wave and an E wave. So 5 waves, yeah, and we could now be simply in this C wave. And honestly, a key level to watch for the C wave target, they're not super reliable, but they are levels to watch. It's the, first of all, well, the 38.2 extension, we reached that now, but that's not really high enough to be reliable. More relevant is the 53.8 cent level. Yeah, that is the 61.8 fib extension. And the triangle is going to be invalidated above this swing high, the A wave high, the 20th of August high. And that level is at 55.7 cents. How can we populate now the micro count for this, well, this C wave here, yeah? Now, if we look really at, first of all, I will change the wave degree, and then we can populate here the subwave structure. It would typically be a complex correction in the C wave, yeah? So at the moment we have 3 waves up. So I can either count that as a first impulse, yeah, like an A wave in an ABC structure within the C wave, or, and I'm just going to do what I see right now, so it could just be a wave, but that's speculation. So they don't also help you, these micro counts in a correction, they are not really helpful too much. However, they can give you an idea of where we stand, right? So it could just be a WXY structure in the C wave. At least we have 3 waves up complete. Oftentimes a C wave is a more complex correction, and the WXY correction is complex. So we would have an A wave, let me see, yeah, an A wave up, a B wave down probably, and the C wave here to the upside in wave W. Next, we could see an X wave to unfold to the downside. Again, that's purely speculative, and then a Y wave higher. Yeah, and in terms of the X wave, ideally we don't want it to go below the 78.6 retracement level. So that means as long as we're holding the 46.9 cent level, the price should move higher in the Y wave. Again, alternatively, you could say that 5 waves are unfolding here. If 5 waves are unfolding, it's going to be an A wave, and it will push a little higher. Then we get a B wave down and the C wave up. If we talk about an A wave, it would look like this: A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, and the A wave is obviously still unfolding, and we would have a wave 1, a wave 2, then this would probably be a 3rd wave, but it's not long enough to be reliable. This would be a 4th wave, and then one more high and a 5th wave. that's sort of how I see currently the XRP chart. So it's probably going to move in a range here for a little while. That has been my concern already before. I mentioned that to you. If we don't see the breakdown, we'll probably get some range movement, especially as long as the price stays below the 50-cent level. Sorry, not 50, but 55.7, which is the A-wave high. So yeah, working on the triangle could be boring for a little while here. We'll see. Of course, it will be volatile, still moving up and down, as you can see. But it really takes a break now below the B-wave low at 45.9 cents. That's the key level to really confirm a breakdown in the C-wave to complete this correction below 43 cents. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.